It has never been the heart of Father God for us to journey through life alone, through business meetings that didn't turn out the way we planned, to golden handshakes that didn't produce the results we were looking for. We were left carrying the load through a false identity, leaving us empty inside, not knowing where the road will lead us. This is why I raised up Sacred Space for Men, a place where men can meet. Through a $40 a month subscription fee, I'm opening up for men who would like to meet weekly and discover their true identity in God. It is Father's heart for you to be successful in every single way, every single place in life. But it is only through opening your heart to discovering how that looks for you, where you can truly find what you've been looking for. So if this is something that interests you, feel free to go to ahmetministrieseurope.org, find Sacred Space for Men, click the subscription button, and let's get connected.